Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can navigate Shopify, or rather how you can navigate the Shopify admin panel. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm in my admin panel on my dashboard, and I have a couple of different options. I can go over here to the top right and go to my store. And as you can see, you can overview all your stores by clicking here or select a store from the menu over here. You also have a couple of different things. You have the community forums that help center the changelog. You have your manage account option, and you can also log out, and here would be your alerts or notifications if you had any. As you can see, in my case I don't, but that doesn't matter. Now, as you can see, currently I'm in my home page and it's giving me this setup guide because I have not set up my shop yet. But yeah, here you can go ahead and go through the steps if you haven't set anything up or now, just so that you can complete everything as it should be completed and then launch your site at the end. Now, as you can see to my left, you have this menu over here where you have your home, your orders, your products, your customers, your content, your analytics, marketing, and discounts. Here you can access data and manage your products and your web store in a couple of different things. And most of these options will need a paid for plan, so you need premium in order to access some functionalities, especially if you want to launch or publish your site. You will need an online paid for plan for Shopify, and you can also do a couple of different things through sales channels. You can go to the online store where you can actually modify the look of your online store through either themes. You can add pages, you can add blog posts, and you can go to navigation just so that you can make your navigation through your site easier through menus and things like that. You also have preferences which you can change regarding your website. You can change the homepage title, the meta description, to add meta tags to make your page position itself better on the internet. And you also have the social sharing image, the Google Analytics, the Facebook Pixel integration. You also have password protection, which you need to shut off if you want to launch your site, and you do need to have a plan for this, so you do need to have a premium subscription. And you also have spam protection if you wish, such as HCAPTCHA on contact and comment forms, as well as login, create account, and password recovery pages as a different option. You also have point of sale, where you can, of course, modify your locations, your staff, and your settings. And as you can see, if you want to sell in person, you can do so at markets, fairs, and pop-ups, or at your own brick and mortar store. And you can also go into apps and search for apps to install to integrate into Shopify to make your life easier. You also have settings, which is this whole entire menu where you have all of these here options, such as language, domains, billing, your premium plan, users and permissions, etc., etc. But in all, that's pretty much all you need to know about navigating the site. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.